not how straight the gate, how charged with punishment the scroll. Here the poet is giving a biblical reference when he says that how straight the gate is, which means though the path to reach to heaven is narrow, he is not bothered. The poet is not even troubled about the scroll, meaning the official roll on which the punishments are written. The poet accepts this fact boldly and is ready to pay for his mistakes. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. In this line, the poet takes the complete responsibility for everything that is happening in his life. He calls himself as the master of his fate, meaning that he has the sole authority over his own life. He also announces that he is the captain of his soul, meaning that he is the only one who decides the course of his life like the captain of ship.
Good morning, student. We are going to learn our last stanza of the poem Invictus. Before this, we learn the first three stanzas, and through these three stanzas we come to know that the life of the poet is full of difficulties. Life of the poet was full of difficulties, but in that difficult situation too, he was thankful to the God. He was thankful to the Almighty for giving him unbeatable soul. And he thought that due to his fate, he has to face many difficulties in his life. He had to face many difficulties in his life due to his fate. There was no fault of him. And then he told us that his present life is full of tears, full of wrath, full of difficulties, and like his present, his future will be so. And like his present life, he thought that his future will be also difficult, full of tears, full of wrath. And he find that the future life, the difficulties of the future life are hanging over his head. The difficulties of his future life are hanging over his head. Now we are going to learn the last stanza. It matters not how straight the gate. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. Through the first line, the poet is giving a biblical reference. He is giving the reference of the Bible when he says that how straight the gate is, which means through the path to reach to heaven is narrow. Means he want to tell us the path to reach to the heaven is very narrow, but he is not bothered, but he is not depressed at this moment. He says that he is not depressed at this moment. And in the next line, how charged with punishment the scroll. The poet is not even troubled. He says that he is not even troubled about the scroll. The meaning of scroll is official roll on which punishments are written. Means official roll on which punishments are written. He was not troubled about the scroll, means his punishments which are written in the heaven. The poet accepts this fact boldly and is ready to pay for his mistake. He accepts this fact boldly and he is ready to pay for his mistakes, means he is thinking that if he may commit any mistake, if he did any mistake in his life, now after reaching to the heaven, he will be ready for the punishments given by God to him for his mistakes. In the next line, I am the master of my fate. The poet takes the complete responsibility for everything that is happening in his life. Now the poet is ready for taking complete responsibility for the things which are happening in his life. He calls himself as the master of his fate. He calls himself as the master of his fate, means that he is the sole authority over his own life, means he is telling us that he has the sole authority over his own life. And in the last line, the poet says that I am the captain of my soul, means he announces that he is the captain of his soul. He is the captain of his soul, means he wants to tell us that he is the only person. He is the only person who decides the course of his life. He is the only person who decides the course of his life, like the captain of a ship. Means, like the captain of a ship, he decides the course of his life. Here we finish our poem Invictus, means unconquerable, unbeatable. And through this poem, the poet wants to tell us that every person's life is full of difficulties, full of problems, but if we have unconquerable soul, we have unbeatable soul, then we will be able to overcome that situation. Thank you.